Summer talk Bob Shimali, going to open a floppy disk. La 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 la. I've gotten one revenge raid that sucked really bad, and then I got another regular raid that sucked really bad in the last few hours, and I didn't went to any of them. Looked it up on YouTube, realized it's not worth the C4. Oh no. So, it wasn't worth the C4. Hell no. And I managed to do another raid. Managed to get another raid. You will see it in like, maybe I'll even do it on this video. And it's a base that I already been to, and I looked it up on my videos. And yay, there's something special in there. There's not oh no. No. Hello puppy, come to mama. Come to me. I won't let anybody hurt you, don't worry. Let's roll. I don't have gas. I don't have gas. No, I won't be needing the chopper, I think. Oh, it's so far from where I needed to be. That's okay. I'll probably use money to speed it up. Because if I'll wait the hour that I need to wait, I will fall asleep. And if I fall asleep, I will totally miss the raid. So, oh god. Shit, I constantly doing it. Okay. Give me a second, guys. You can like, I guess you can transfer, you know, fast forward like maybe 30 seconds away. Let me take the stuff away from the acid. Okay. Let's put the dog that I found. Hey, Rosie. Good. Now let's take. I'll have to buy gas. I have coins, so it's not a problem, but Jesus. Come on, come on, come on. Pretty skip. Okie dokie. Okay, let's put you. I will need you. but let's put, because I'm like a bit terrified of the consequences. I have gas, never mind. Let's put you in here, let's put you in here. You go in here and you in here. Okay, but I won't be needing it. Yeah, we're gonna raid also. Okay, I will need like maybe 4. You will understand in a second. Okay. Wait, so give me a second to organize my stuff. Well, I won't be needing the gas because I know there's not a lot of stuff, so let's keep it in here. I will need, I think it will be maybe 2 waves. No. Okay. Let's have a snack, shall we? Come on. I was meant to press. Ah, shit. I wanted to eat, not to do that. Okay. Stop it. Okay. I won't be needing the chopper, and you will see. I remember when I got the base, it was one of the, I think, first bases that I ever did, and I brought like a lot of stuff. I was really like excited about a base. Give me a second, guys. Yeah, it's the base. I remember I saw the name and the number. I'm like, oh no, it's one of those bases that there's nothing in it. And then I double checked on my video and on other people's video to make double extra, because sometimes you get like a base and you look it up on YouTube, and when you go to the base, it's not the same base, and it happened to me way too many times for comfort. So I always double check, and if I have to, I even scout before. So that was strange. Did you guys saw it? Alright, let's get out. have the same mistake as the last raid that I've been to, and I didn't post it because it was so shameful. Oh god. Give me a second, guys. Kenaba? Kenaba? Huh? Abba? Abba? Kenaba? אוקיי. רגע, אמא שלך או אמא שלי? אוקיי. אוקיי, אני שולחת. ביי. Sorry guys, I'm not sure if it's even more recording. I'll have to make sure. Give me a second. And let's kill him. Oh god. Yeah, I came with like a shirt that wasn't like full on. That's okay. Just making sure. Okay. So. No, 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 stop it. Jesus. Okay. Secure, secure, secure. Oh, Alex, give me a second, love. Let's go here. And that's the thing that I want to, guys. A Floppy. Done. So just for your so you won't like kill me, but I wonder what's in there. But before I'll look it up, I want to see this so you will know. No, stop it, Jesus. No, no, nothing in here. If you blow this up, either the ATV or the motor is in there, the motorcycle, and there are 2 safes in there, so it's not worth blowing up. That's the only thing that's even like worth it. Okay, and did I check in here? Yep. Let's make double sure. I can get rid of this. I have way too much of that. Can always take more food. Let's break these ones open, shall we? Oh god. That's so not good. You know what? Give me a second. Calm, collected. And I don't have any pen. Not good. I'm doing it because I know I will die, and I won't be dying today. Not again. Why am I still inside? I'm an idiot. Well, I can probably just do like this and that's it. But what's in here? Nothing. Let's see if I can take... No, stop doing it. Oh god. I can always take materials. Well, I do need these. But guys, Floppy. Jesus, Floppy. And that's it. Again, there's nothing good in that part. There's only 2 safes in there. And as you can see, I've opened everything up. Wait, no, I didn't open up. There's the stuff that I didn't. Yeah, nothing. And ooh, well, hello to you, my little friend. Let's put food in here. Let's take you. Why not? I don't need this, right? Right. And let's break you, so we'll know it's break even. Well, I can take you. And 5, 6, 7, 4. Let's take you. That's it. As you can see, really now I opened everything. See you guys next time.